Hello people of the internet, it is currently 12:20 or 20 past 12, which means that I am hungry and I am gonna make myself some lunch, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my lunch, what I eat for lunch basically, and how I do that, how I make that. Yes. So to assess what I actually have in my fridge and what I can use for lunch, I have opened my fridge and I'm showing you what I have in my fridge. I have chicken breasts, which I'm gonna use. I think a bit of broccoli is also gonna be nice. A bit of salad. And for carbs, I am using my sweet potatoes, which are here. Alright, so first I am gonna cut my sweet potato and my broccoli, and I'm gonna put the sweet potato in the pan first. And then the next step is washing the vegetables. The next step is cutting up the sweet potato. The next step is heating up a pan. Alright, so the pan is warm enough. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in there. And then I'm gonna bring over my sweet potatoes. Okay, so put the sweet potatoes in, and they go in for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you can see that they softened when the edges of the potatoes are a little gold. Now I'm just gonna add in the broccoli. So I've taken out the sweet potato because they were starting to get a little bit overcooked, but that's fine. Then I add in a little bit more oil with the broccoli. Now I'm gonna add in the chicken with the broccoli. Now the chicken is in the pan. I'm also gonna add a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. In the meantime, I've also decided to add a few tomatoes in there, with cherry tomatoes. And while the chicken is still getting ready, I'm also adding a little bit of onion for the extra taste. Alright, chicken looks ready. So I'm gonna bring the plate over, bowl over, and chuck the chicken in. To finish everything off, I'm gonna add a little bit of mustard into the bowl. I'm gonna mix that in so it'll be extra nice. And that is pretty much what I'm gonna have for lunch. And this is the end result. Bye bye. Ta-ta.